What's up, beautiful people? So today I decided to do a vlog for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it and show you guys a day's work. I'm here folding some t-shirts to ship out. This is the new roll clip design. It's based off my resole work and how I've been resoling boots since 2010. Green print on white tees. If you guys want a t-shirt, I'll put the link on the description. And you can purchase one if you like. I appreciate the support. Yeah, should rock overalls. Unboxing some boots. I accept shipped in orders as well. So we're gonna see what I got for this week, so I can prepare. And we got these are double RL lace-up boots. You wanted like the video number, YouTube video number 7. Let's see what else we got for the week. This one's a heavy one. Oh, another pair of lace boots. Heavy because there's 2 pairs, or a pair of Iron Rangers. You guys love Iron Rangers. It always does well. Looking forward to reselling these. Oh, this is pretty interesting. It's a pair of Nike shoes. Air Maxes. If you guys want to see this resale video, let me know. Put a comment down below. I'm gonna put probably like a Christie or some type of sole. I'll have to weld them by hand. Another pair of Iron Rangers. You guys love your Iron Rangers. Oh, we're gonna go with RC half soles, black low block heel, natural finish, hand welted. Yeah, so these are probably all the boots I worked for the week. If you see any boot that you like, just put a comment down below, be like, oh, you should resole this one or that one, so I'll know which ones you guys want to see the most. So that's it. Now I need to start sanding some boots. Nailing some heel caps on a pair of roll clubs. This guy wanted an interesting colorway. He chose a lace to toe, olive, red stitching, but brown two-tone. It looks kind of funky now, but once I finish it, it's gonna look pretty cool. Hopefully you guys like these videos. They're kind of raw, you know. It's not so flashy and clean and sharp like you guys are used to, but this will help me make more videos. Hopefully you guys enjoy this style video. Kind of behind the scenes, you know. So we're just testing it. If you guys like them, we continue. I use this metal foot to nail these nails. It's because once that nail goes through all this leather, this will literally like make the nail bend and it'll clinch. It'll clinch on the footbed. And it helps make a very sturdy boot. Or else you'll walk and you might get poked by a nail. So this also prevents that from happening. The inside looks like this. You see that? Those are nails that clinched. So now this is what it looks like. We're about to sand it. The sanding part, it's a little scary because you only get one shot. Like once you sand off a certain part, you know, you can't put it back. And also you gotta be careful not sanding the upper. You gotta take care of the boot as well. So what I do is I literally put a finger. So I sand my finger before I can sand the boot. That's how I know how far to go. Sounds kind of crazy, but it helps a lot. Up right here to show the viewers. This right here, this lip on the boot, it's called a storm welt. This storm welt, in my opinion, makes the boot look more aggressive, more workwear. This lip was supposed to make the boot a little more waterproof so the water doesn't get in. It's pretty interesting. Alright, let me just start sanding. Now I'm cleaning up the boot. The beauty of making boots, it's interesting because right now this boot doesn't look as beautiful, you know, there's still a little bit of here, a little bit of there, and slowly with each step it starts molding to something really cool. So I try to perfect each little step that I do with minimal error, so by the time that I finish the boot, the tolerance of imperfection is brought down to a minimum. Like right now the boot looks a little dusty. I just gotta finish little sanding here and there, you know. And eventually you guys are gonna see it's gonna look really cool. The thing about bootmaking is you gotta keep everything organized, or else you're like me, always looking for stuff. Like I left my knife right here. Should have been there, but sometimes I get disorganized. Hopefully you guys like this behind the scenes stuff, where it's like raw footage. You guys get to know me a little better. So right now the edge is raw, right? We're gonna burnish it. So we're gonna add some dye. So the cool part about making boots is we all start with the same materials, but it's the bootmaker's vision and design that can make the whole different boot look spectacular, or just, you know, an average. Alright, where was I? This is the burnishing dye. This is medium brown. This color is very popular. With this marker, I'm cleaning the leather. When I sew the upper, I mark it with a silver pen, and this marker erases all the silver pen marks. This is the leather conditioner I always recommend for people, Cadillac leather lotion. I always use it when I finish a boot. It cleans all the dust. At the same time, it takes care of the leather, gives it a nice, like in my opinion, I don't really like a boot that's super shiny. I like a boot that looks rich, you know. It has that rich, like pull-up oil look. Like this will bring this olive back to life, like instantly. See, now slowly the boot's coming back to life. Like all the leather. Olive is a beautiful color. It's one of my favorites aside from brown and black. I just got chose brown cork soles to match the brown tones on the sides. Now to burnish the edge. See, now it looks better. Alright guys, it's literally Saturday night. Time to go home. I'll turn off some lights. Well, yeah, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I know it's been very choppy and random, but we're trying to figure it out. I kind of forgot about vlogging in between the day because people came to get measured up and I had to prep some work, but hopefully it's some cool footage and I'll try to make it better. Just bear with me, guys. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a great Sunday because I'm posting every Sunday.